How to log out of your account on Centr application. First, you want to open your Centr app, and inside the application, if you don't have an account, you want to simply tap on Get Started. However, if you already have an account, you want to simply select all of these options over here while creating your account first. After that, if you have purchased the membership and if you are already logged in into your account, you want to simply navigate yourself to your profile dashboard at the top right of your screen. You want to simply tap on that. You want to simply tap on your profile and you want to navigate yourself to the log out option at the very bottom of your screen. However, there is a much quicker way to log out of your account as well. Come back from the app completely, tap and hold on to the Centr application and tap on App Info. Tap on Storage and Cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be removing all the user's data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.